Webflow versus Wix, full comparison for website design and development. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're diving into head-to-head comparison between Webflow and Wix, two of the most popular website builder available today. Whether you're a designer, small business owner, or just starting your online journey, this guide will help you figure out which platform best suits your needs. Let's get started. First, we have here the Webflow, which is best for no-code website building and development. Visual web development lets you design and build responsive websites visually without writing code. Second is CMS functionality. Manage dynamic content seamlessly with built-in CMS tools. Third, the hosting included. Offers reliable scalable hosting with built-in SEO features. Fourth is the custom code integration. Add custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for extra flexibility. But it has two cons. First is the steeper learning curve. Second is the premium pricing. But it is best for designers and business looking for all-in-one platform to design, build, and publish websites without needing developers. On the other hand, we have here the Wix, which has four features. It is best for beginners and small business website. First, drag and drop simplicity, which intuitive editor with pre-built elements and templates for easy customization. 2. Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, automatically creates a site based on your preference. 3. App Market, offers third-party integrations for added features like booking system, e-commerce, and marketing tools. 4. Budget-friendly pricing, which is affordable for plans suitable for personal projects and small business, but it has two cons: limited design flexibility and less scalable. It is best for beginners, freelancers, and small business owners looking for an affordable and easy-to-use platform to quickly launch a website. And now the question is, which one do you choose? Choose Webflow if you're a professional designer, developer, or business owner who needs complete design freedom, custom code integration, and scalable platform that can handle more complex websites. On the other hand, choose Wix if you're a beginner, freelancer, or small business owner looking for a user-friendly, affordable, and quick solution to get a simple website up and running without needing advanced technical skills. Which website builder are you learning toward for your next project? Let me know in the comments. I hope this comparison between Webflow and Wix helped clarify which platform fits their better needs. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech comparisons and web design tips. See you into the next video.